Hello guys, recently I've built this Epomaker TH80 Pro with Epomaker key switches and keycaps, and from all perspectives it well went. I think this keyboard is a good example, it's a perfect example of well-structured, feature-packed, budget-friendly mechanical keyboard for beginner level of mechanical keyboard enthusiast. But what does it mean good, better, worse in case of mechanical keyboard? You continue asking me in the comments under my videos what is better, this keyboard or what is better than this keyboard, and it's very hard to answer without some additional analytics. I'm already reviewed over 30 different keyboards over the last 6 months, and I start seeing these patterns and standards in all of them. So, started from this video, I decided to implement a mechanical keyboard assessment system, MCAS, and to be short, it's a comparison based on the technical parameters of the keyboards to be as much objective as possible. And I will use my website to post all these results in one place, and we'll link this in the description down below. My previous build of this TH80 Pro was good, I mean really good, not perfect but good, and I promised that I want to build something better, and there we go. Today we are using for the build this Epomaker TH80 Pro 75% keyboard, this Acco version 3 Pro switches, tactile, this keycaps from Epomaker, and also their upgraded mechanical keyboard cable. Let's go! So just to remind you that this is not a gasket mounted keyboard, it's kind of, because I see this rubbed parts, but it's anyway screw into the case here and there, plus this additional nice. I will add just a couple of rings and it's all. But for the plate we obviously need to add painter type, right? We need to leave a place here, there we go. Are you ever lonely? Okay, next stage. So this is Acco V3 Pro switches, Lavender Purple Pro with a dust proof, and their main parameters that they are tactile with 45 gram force with a total travel 3.8, which is common. Let me quickly show you what is inside these switches. There you go, basically everything as usual, spring, stem, housing, metal part, no big surprises. And you may see that they are pre-looped, which is good, because it's a super time consuming to do it by yourself. I'm really not recommending doing this often. Okay, let's do the job. So guys, you need less than 2 packs of the switches to fill in this keyboard. So this is Botanic Garden from Epomaker, double shot PBT, super high quality, 2 colors, even some 3 colors. So let's see how it will work on this keyboard. All my friends tell me they are not shine through, but legend on the keycaps looks gorgeous. Like a ghost. It looks good already, right? Let's go and check. Let's connect. So I have today this coiled cable. Let's connect 2 parts of this cable together. Not bad, but also not the best coiled cable. But let's see. Let's go and connect everything and do the main part, aesthetic and sound test. Okay, ready for the sound test. So, what do you think, guys? Not bad, right? We have new version of Epomaker TH80 Pro, Barebones. You heard the sound is perfect. And so what's the price for this set? Barebone version of this keyboard is 66 US on Amazon on date of recording, plus 2 pack of switches, it's another 28 bucks, and another 20 bucks for the coiled cable, and keycap set is another 50 bucks. So total 164 for the wireless or wired, depends on what you like. Mac, Win, you can switch between them. 3 devices, you can connect to up to 3 devices, even more because it's a 3 Bluetooth and 1 wireless and 1 wired, so it's up to 5 devices you can connect if you need this, obviously. So what about the score? So this is my first approach how to evaluate mechanical keyboard value, and currently I'm using these parameters, what you can see on the screen: connectivity, how many devices we can connect, storage for dongle, battery capacity, and like availability of knob, automatical switch between Win and Mac, and etc, etc. I'm using ChatGPT to help me build a model, so a kind of training chat to be able to build a table and to accept new products and to evaluate them and do the rating and all of that. So as a result, for this keyboard what we have today, for this Epomaker TH80 Pro, my result is 25 out of 29 based on these parameters and these evaluations. I will be including more and more parameters, and I need your help. If you can help me, just post in the comments section of the comments under this video what is most important for you as a parameter, tech parameter of mechanical keyboard. If you will help me, I will be adding more and more tech parameters to my model, and my evaluation and rating will be more and more precise and valuable. That's all for today. Thank you for being with me, and I hope you enjoy this new build of Epomaker TH80 Pro. If you want to build something like this for yourself, all links will be in the description. Feel free to use them. And if you have any suggestions how to improve my model, welcome to share them in the comments. Thank you, and see you next time.